What's good, people? I get a call from old Derek down there at CAC. He wanted me to come check out that red eldog that I had wired up that I showed y'all, and sound pretty good. I didn't know those eldogs they usually have like a stiff kind of tight sound, but this one here got some pressure coming out of there. He got to work on his voltage a little bit more, but overall, man, that car sounds pretty nice. I got a little video clip for y'all. Here it is. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know how it sound on the camera, but in person, that car got some nice pressure. That came out real nice. Yes, yes, yes. All right, y'all. Tune in next time.